Hello, little friends. Let's learn all about seals today. Seals are super cool animals that live in the ocean. They're like fluffy swimmers with big, cute eyes. Are you ready to discover some fun facts about these adorable creatures? Seals are amazing animals that live in the ocean and sometimes on land, too. They love to swim and play in the water. These cute creatures have thick fur that keeps them warm and cozy, even in chilly ocean waters. Seals eat yummy fish like salmon and herring. They're excellent hunters and can swim super fast to catch their food. Did you know that seals have special whiskers called vibrissae? These help them feel around in the water and find their way. Sometimes, seals like to bask in the sun on rocks or sandy beaches. They stretch out and relax, just like we do on a sunny day. Seals make funny sounds like barks, grunts, and even some singing noises. It's their way of talking to each other and saying hello. They have big, flappy flippers that help them glide through the water gracefully. It's like they're dancing underwater. Seals have big round eyes that can see well both underwater and on land. They use their keen eyesight to spot predators and find food. Seals are very playful animals. They love to splash around in the waves and chase each other in the water. We need to take care of seals and their ocean home. Keeping the oceans clean and safe helps protect these adorable creatures so they can keep swimming and playing happily. Wow, weren't seals just the coolest? They're such fun-loving creatures, aren't they? Remember to be kind to our seal friends and help keep their ocean home clean and safe. Keep exploring and learning about the wonders of the sea, little ones. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on our expedition to the underwater world. Until we meet